Hello, welcome back. Fuck Nuts Garage. Today we're doing a brake service, brake pad replacement, as well as rotors on a 16 Honda HRV. Most of you probably already know how to do the pads and rotors, but maybe you don't know how to do the brake pad maintenance mode. So here we go. Our tool we'll be using today is a Snap-on Solus Edge. 1 second, we'll bring you right in here. So here we go. Scanner. Scroll down here to Honda, enter that. Now we're going to do the auto ID. It is new enough, so we'll carry on. I do apologize for the music going in the background. I do not own any copyrights to it. Don't know if you can hear it or not. Anyways, with me talking, you probably can't hear too much, so we're going to go into brake pad maintenance mode. So you want to go down here to electronic parking brake. Adjustment, brake pad maintenance mode. See that caution there? This function is used to replace rear pads. The DTC C11053 electronic parking brake and maintenance mode has been detected. Please perform the following. The function is used for brake pad maintenance. Check the following conditions are: stop the vehicle on the flat floor, release the parking brakes, yada yada yada. Battery voltage must be over 10 volts. In order to prevent the battery from dropping, ensure that the battery is fully charged. Do you wish to continue? Well, no, we thought we'd just not worry about it. Execution will take 25 seconds to put them in normal position. Yes, we want to exchange mode. Now, you probably can't hear that, but they're retracting the calipers right now. They just shut off. Electronic brake system has transitioned into pad exchange mode. Perform rear brake maintenance. And then after we get done there, we come back in and we'll go through it. We'll walk you through that. 1 second, we'll be back.